To add your Canvas link to MyCE so that your faculty liaison can review that, you're going to go into My Classes, click on View Details next to the class that you are ready to add that Canvas link to. And then you'll see a tab called Canvas Information. Right here, you're going to copy and paste the link to your Canvas course homepage. And then you'll put a description of how the liaison will access that Canvas course. Now, before you insert the link, it's very important that you've added your faculty liaison to your course. I'm going to show you where you can find instructions on how to do that for both adding them to your Slick Canvas if you are using Slick Canvas, if you're using the high school Canvas, how you go about doing that. So you'll go over to the Salt Lake Community College Concurrent Enrollment website, slcc.edu/concurrent enrollment, and then down towards the bottom, you'll see CE Instructors. Click on that. On the left, you'll see Instructors Policies and Procedures, and right at the top is Canvas. You can click More About Canvas, and here are where we've included all of the instructions for how to add your faculty liaison to your Canvas course. So if you're using Slick Canvas, you'll follow these instructions. If you're using your high school Canvas, we have instructions for the Canyons District, Jordan District, Granite District, Murray District, and Salt Lake District. If you're in a charter school, that's not included up here, then you'll need to work with your school information technology folks, whoever's over Canvas, to try to figure out how to make that happen if you're using the high school Canvas. Once you've added them to your Canvas and you can see them in your Canvas course, then at that point, you're safe to add the link with any instructions, if there are specific instructions beyond these here, on how to access your Canvas course. You go ahead and click Submit to submit that. And then back here on the My Classes, you'll see under the syllabus status, we need to update that to Canvas status. It will show whether or not it's been reviewed by your liaison. If they've reviewed it and they say it needs a little bit more work, then it'll say needs work or needs improvements here. If it's good, then it'll say approved or reviewed.